Tired of emailing price lists in Excel? Are you repeatedly fielding requests for high-resolution photos? The public catalog in MarketProvider solves this. Updated a description, uploaded a new photo, changed a price? The catalog refreshes automatically. No more resending files. Distributors, buyers, and partners simply follow a link and find everything they need. The public catalog mirrors the category structure from your PIM. Only products with the status ready are displayed. Drafts and incomplete cards never appear. You decide what visitors see. Any attribute can be marked as public or hidden. Same with tags. New arrival and bestseller show up in the catalog. Internal tags stay in PIM. The catalog is fully responsive. A sales rep in a warehouse or a buyer at a trade show opens it on their phone and gets the same experience as on desktop. Visitors land in the catalog and immediately see categories and products. At the top, there's a search bar. Type a product name or an SKU. You can even point your smartphone camera at a barcode and the catalog will instantly open the right product card. On the left, there are filters, color, size, brand, and any other attributes. Click on a product and you get a detail page with photos, videos, files, and all public attributes. The key feature for partners, export. Select the products you need, hit Export, download media files with custom sizes and naming, or export product data in Excel,
CSV, XML, or JSON.
A separate DEM tab gives access to file storage where you can share links to individual files and folders. The catalog can be opened to anyone via a link, or it can be restricted with login credentials and role-based access. If you want the catalog to look like your own service, there is the white label option. Send us your logo and brand colors, add a DNS record to your domain. Within 30 minutes, the catalog runs on your own address. No login screen, no mention of MarketProvider. The public catalog replaces endless back and forth with your partners. Always current, everything in one place, export in 2 clicks. Visit our help center or reach out to your account manager to get started.